This is the cream for melasma. Glycolic acid, kojic acid, Diplomat, Arbutin, NG Glow cream, 20 gram. These are all the details you can go through. This is very powerful for dark spots and melasma. This looks like this. With niacinamide, NG Glow. This is the fastest selling in the market. These are all the instructions and you go through this. How it look like, I will show you. See, it will look like this. That's all. It is very nice and fast absorbing. If you have dark spots on face or melasma, so this product is very good. You can use this. It is very effective, but it will take time. You have to use it for minimum 3 months. And also you will see the results. This video is informative, and if you use the product, that may be useful. Let us meet again.